What is a sharp knife? What do you call a sharp knife? I guess it depends on the use, but there is 4 knives. These two are fully convex from the spine to the cutting edge. This is a saber ground knife with a V-edge, my own grind, approximately 30 to 32 degrees total. And this is a Scandivex, meaning this flat area is and polished, and it ends with a convex at about 34 degrees. Now, in terms of blade geometry and thickness, the thinnest and also the thinnest edge then would be this convex knife. This is my own grind as well, ending with a convex. The next one in terms of spine thickness, also my own grind as I said, and then the beast, the Tops BOB. Which one would you expect to cut better? Factory edge, my own edges. You can actually even tell by the sound of the cut. Let's try feather sticking. So if you were to take this into the woods to start a fire, how do they make feather sticks? As you can see, this is doing okay. It is making feathers. Feathers thin enough to catch a spark from a ferro rod, but nothing spectacular. Let's look at this edge. This is doing extremely thin curls, thinner than your regular print paper, probably something similar to like a phone book paper. Let's try the tops now. Very similar, extremely thin feathers. Again, very fine feathers. So for bushcraft tasks, all of them will help you start a fire. So shout out to Peterbiltknifeguy, who shows the sharpness of his grinds on the piece of cardboard similar to this. Which one do you think will outperform the others? Let's start with the thinnest and go to the thickest, and that will be in this sequence. Let me clean off the edge. Let's see. Do you think this will catch the paper? It did. Again. Again. How about this one? Nice. Nice. Let's try this one. And that huge beast. So which one do you think outperformed the others? The thickest knife. So it is not necessarily, oh, it's bending here, but it's not necessarily the geometry that determines how well the knife cuts, but rather the cutting edge and how that has been ground. So the way this performed is actually reverse. Best slicer, second best, third best, and the factory edge is the worst out of all these three. I have a separate knife review that I'll be uploading shortly on this one, where I do say that this is an extremely good slicer. It is, but I am quite disappointed. This is a $270 knife that does not come with the best factory edge. It shaves, it slices through paper, makes feather sticks, but when you do your own grinds, if you know what you're doing, you can hone in and increase your results. So this is a testament to the fact that you should never hesitate to put your own edges on your knives, practice, and you should be fine.